Kajing bom patla jong ke sorkar jela ban pentre kami ya ke inaline permit ne ILP wat hadin balada ban pas de ke resolution hapo ke ying dorbar thawan jong ke jela kala penlong igit khot jong ke sengkhasi student union KSU ban beteng biang ke jing khandra bar jela ki baklem biang ki kot kisla wat ban pensisha baki de nong India ha ka baka KSU kala penyang biang dagi kherdop telasi bar jela dang hakini ki khendiat sngi balala ngila sakhi baka KSU nado ka sengkme bat ki district unit kila penlong jing khandra bar jela ka leng kari khasi badia kane la sakhiru baka KSU sengkme kala lej banbu biang ka kherdop ILP jong ka seng hari boy district dang hakini ki khendiat sngi balala ban telasi kot igi bar jela ki bawan rung shpo kari khasi bat ka jo ka bakum kane la sakhi manta ka sngi ka khada tarik unaitung ha ka baka seng khasi student union West Khasil District Unit hapo ka jinglam jong samla John Fisher nong siang kala lej banbu bat penyang ya ka kherdop ILP hapo ka snong Athiabari West Khasils ka bderu ka snong khapot jong jela Megalia bat Assam
Oh, you want to then like on the spot.
And then police will send. From where you get your organization? No. Your address. And then from the district wise police prediction. Police prediction. That certifies that they haven't committed any crimes yet. Even though police prediction. Yes, it is necessary because we have to ensure the safety of our workers. Because you see, in the past 3 days, there have been they have stolen betel nuts, they have been stolen vehicle. So we don't want such things to happen in our If not possible, then sorry to say, but we don't have any choice. That certifies that you haven't committed any crime yet. Along with you, you are coming free of
Yeah. Actually, I don't do crime, but I'm working.
Yes. Even though you have to certify it. It doesn't mean that people who work in health department they don't have secrets.
But I got from the news that you are doing this. That's what I got.
No, we are not against anyone. Yeah. Okay. We have to
That's we couldn't do in Assam. Sorry to say that.
And
That's
then,
why there are so many problems.
This is the message to our government that even to the central government, they should implement the ILP.
We couldn't do that thing. That's the problem in Assam also we are facing. But this is the thing that we have to do.
Sorry to say, but
Only I discussed.
थोड़ा साइड कीजिए तो इसके बाद तो आप ही मुझे आप ही इन्हें से कम दीजिए हेलो गुटी कत आছিলে ঘৰটো সাউথ ওচৰত নহয় সাউথ ওচৰত হ'লে এইটো साउथ स्कूल है ना साउथ स्कूल का उधर में ये जो आप अभी जाएगा ना अभी जाके आपको लेफ्ट जो स्पीड ब्रेकर है ना वो स्पीड ब्रेकर के सामने इस तरफ में साउदर्न स्कूल है उसका सामने साउदर्न स्कूल ऑपोजिट में इधर से टंकी जो है देख उधर आगे में है साउदर्न स्कूल
No, but then we don't know what will happen and not happen. You know, maybe in front they are putting another picture and then in the back scene there is another picture. So we can guarantee, no? If you can give us an assurance that if he address there will be nothing such yet, then
I told you it was cancelled that today at 4 o'clock I will leave or die.
so the main thing. No. We understand that they are monitoring our state will get some access to, but then it's not about access. This is your man. No? Why you are filming us each and every time? If you want to film us, we will stand in one. You film us. Each and every number of us.
Where's your name? You're in your phone, you name tag them on. You came here and video all of us. What's the point of doing that? You should be, they should be your name. Each and every the Pakistan.
No, you tell him to stop this filming. Carpet. हाँ, साल की चीज़ तो ट्रेडिंग लाइसेंस निकालो। हाँ?
वो तो नहीं बनाया हम।
क्यों नहीं बनाया? गाड़ी चलाने के लिए तो लाइसेंस बनाया ना?
ना कितना दिन हुआ? 2-3 दिन गया हम।
एक ट्रिप और 2 ट्रिप हो तो मेघालय में घुसने से तो जरूरी है ना।
We are planning because it's legalized.
This is your man. This is your man. Why you are filming us each and every time? If you want to film us, we will stand in one. You film us. Full, each and every member of us. Where's your name?
Makalang KSU Western District minta kasih kena peluang kini program naka jiman bu jengi kini ka ILP check get hene po akhibari kini kijing tunggu jengi kalong kijing sedang bagian peluang kijing kenrai ki mender habarok kawe ga nong katanya ko Western District kumang itiap nakalang jek sarkar jela madu arja kendai kilapas ya kaan mas rekam ke LP hene hadu minta sausen konsenam kini kijing le jong ka sarkar jela jadi siap menteri tempat menteri tolong ini bangin tolong program lokal kan kini kita sedang ini mengenai khidmat ini sedang kita kerah mana dijaka buat maklum sarkar lara kerana siap menteri kini kijing dawa jungi menteri kam ke LP buat ke MRSSA de maklum jungi mansing yang masih menteri buat kijing bakal tengah aku juga puan sebelum penderam ya ke sarkar jelas sebab pengat dia kita jungi kini lam jungi Abah kilej ban kendra malej ban lej wat ya ki mender ki bedan kabri nyutrap nomor kijingwan jungki apo jala jungi kram kijing penpiang ke kisla ndrei jingle jungki kapen nang pen ingkong ya ki khot jungi nomor kijing sakam kijing farep haki kam ki fer ndrei kijing long jungki khot jungi kalong bai tang tumdo ban yada kri bejek ndrei nomor kini kijing farep jungki kanang ai musim syu ingi menginele Meneda kiri ujian bener, bat nang nis kuat ni nang kapan injur siu kejengnya ke, bat kejeng kendara mendar, bat ni kentujur ya polis department, mak keriban pejengor pa, kejengwan kiri mendar, kamtam kini ceget, tungka infiltration ceget, bat kilbor department, bam jusim kia dari nang iskam nang nis kuat, mak kejeng kejengi, bat nang bak sarkar, kersim kia no, bat keriban pejam kikian, bat kumbah kilarai, keriban lek ke ba kipat ba ujian beriru nyutrap. Kila ai yaki man penjob hak election bat kinong takin mikmat kin sim ka an man pas ki ai fer beneda kari bijaj menreu ki skam makin ki jeki jungi kinong mesti so leng ba ki disap yang sarkar